Hey everybody, this is DeUncle209 here, and I know I made a video since like a long time ago, so yes, you haven't seen me in a long time either. Like I'll probably make new videos and stuff like that, so like keep watching my videos soon, and please subscribe to me. I know I haven't been there. Y'all probably miss me in anyways, sometimes like that. So anyways, I'm back. I'm back now. I'm back from Jamaica and stuff like that, and I'm ready. I'm just like ready to do some videos. Just felt like to do commentating with my friend Demetrius. I'm Kid Perez, and other people. I had my has a friend for like PS3. Like if you want to add me, my subscription is like right over here. Like hold on. Yeah, right there. Like my, you want to add me right there. Right in the description. Like right beside me. Like over there. So if you want to subscribe to me or add me on PS3 if you want to. It's your choice, and that's all. All right, see you. Oh, and 3, 2, 1.